Well, I really should have done a video when I first got the car, but I usually just do before and after pictures throughout the process. I've never videotaped anybody's expression upon delivering their car, but I'll try to do it when I go to deliver this today. This was a front clip job. It was hit in this corner here, so the fender was damaged, the light was broken, the bumper was destroyed, and the hood was caved in this area here. And I ended up wet sand and buffing this one so that both headlights look new. You can still see this one's kind of a little darker though because it is old, but you can pull it off. To somebody who's not aware this was in an accident, they're not going to notice it. This is base coat, clear coat. I did not wet sand and buff this at all. You can see that there is a level of orange peel if I can focus on it. It's a factory orange peel. It's not a big deal, but it's clean. Doesn't have any fish eyes or imperfection or dirt in it. It had body work, but it was very little body work. It had a couple dents that were big, but the majority of it was pretty clean. Base coat, clear coat, like I said, it's a 4-to-1 clear. It's not a thick clear. It's more thin. Slow reducer for the base, slow activator for the clear, so everything lays out nice and smooth because it takes longer to dry. And it stays wet for a longer period of time. It allows for the orange peel to kind of like go away as you spray it and it's wet. It's kind of hard to get some angles here. You can see the orange peel I'm talking about where the sunlight is right there. You see the texture? It's like really microscopic ripples. That's orange peel. But this is a factory orange peel. You can see it here. It's a good example of it. Focus up. But this is what you want. One more coat of clear. Well, not just one more coat of clear, but one more coat of clear and my applications being thicker. If I can increase the volume of fluid on the spray gun and a little bit more air pressure, I'd get more material on here for each coat. But already you're talking about the differences between the $2,000 paint job and the $3,000 paint job, because any paint job that consumes a whole quart, not a whole quart, excuse me, a whole gallon of clear coat, which is actually a gallon and a quarter, because you have a gallon of clear, and then you have a quart of activator, being that the ratio is 4-to-1, you got 5 quarts. And to apply all 5 quarts of material is a lot of work. Okay? Including all the material that you're applying when you shoot the base, plus the work is associated with it. But this is perfect. This is how I like to do my paint jobs. Do it nice and clean. I take my time. I don't rush it, because I don't want to wet sand and buff. I really don't care for that. I used to do that when I was younger, but then I just started getting more into more precise prep work and doing cleaner work and taking my time, and my paint jobs come out like this, and I don't have to wet sand and buff anything. So I wanted to share this with you. If I can sneak a video to get the guy's expression when I deliver it to him, I'll also be posting it up and I'll share it with you guys. But thanks for watching.